Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the Towers of Harmony. I am so excited today to show you guys my Towers of Harmony. I'm gonna go through these towers today. Actually, I'm just gonna go through one of them today, but I'm gonna kind of give you guys a look and see what the towers are and what they represent, and then we'll go through each one individually, and then just on the outside to kind of give you a kind of an idea of what is inside and what we're trying to get you to feel when you're inside. So we're going to go through these towers today. The one tower we're going to do today is called the Faith Tower. And that tower specifically, one of the things that I did when I created the towers was I wanted to allow some of my friends that are that believe in the tower and that believe in what I'm doing and what God is doing in these towers. I wanted to give them a chance to have a tower and take that tower and make it their own. And Mr. Iceman, which is our podcast guy, yeah, he's one of the co-hosts of the podcast. He took on the role or the task of doing the faith building. So we're gonna take you guys through his faith experience that he put together. So I'm just gonna show you guys what each one of these towers are. Oh, wait, why is that locked? Oh, I know why. I gotta move that room. That's why. All right, so we're on the worship tower right here. Let's guys look at that right there. Oh man, I can't wait to show you guys this. Oh, it's gonna be so good. These are I'm so excited to share these with you guys. I'm going to go through each one individually and kind of give you some background in it and kind of how I'm trying to bring this unity and this harmony together. So we are going to go. Here is the Faith Tower. So we're going to go in the room of the tower, and then we're going to go through the Faith Tower into the actual tower. And then we'll take it outside so you guys can see what the outside of the tower looks like as well. So Iceman decided to embrace the entire idea of faith. So this is his penthouse. This is the penthouse of the tower. So we come out here. Let's see. Let's go. Actually, let's look at our what he posted here. These are wonderful. Let's see. So then we're looking here. Oh, look at that. All right. There we go. What are the 4 points of faith? There we go. All right, so we're going to go out on the patio of the penthouse. This is where overlooking the island. That's the expanded island that we're getting ready to expand on soon, hopefully. This is the adult side over here. This is where I try to um, get the adults to purchase their properties over there. And this is the kids side. And we've got some, actually, that right there is the Joy building. That's the Joy Tower. But if you look through there and around the corner out there, that's the kids area right through there. All right, so we're going to go through the faith room. Now we're going to go through. All right, here we go. Now we're going to go out into the faith club room that Iceman put together. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Ah, good question. All right. I'm going to see if this will turn down a little. All right. And without faith. So this is his room that he created. This is his faith room. So he comes in every once in a while and updates his pictures and updates and comes in and has some time of worship in here at times. He'll change out the video. He'll keep it updated. So we're going to go downstairs and look at these rooms. Oh my goodness, these are amazing. Faith in action, that's right. In faith, there is enough light for those who want to believe and enough shadows to blind those who don't. Nice. There you go. Look at those. Lasting and long lasting. All right, so this room over here. What do we have here? All right. So faith in action again. We must have faith in action. All right. So we'll go in this one over here. And the one thing that I'm really, really, really big on is making sure that everyone has an opportunity to share their faith or express their faith and their walk with their God. So I'm want to hear how your faith is. I want to see how your walk is, and we can talk and share our faiths together. But I am so blessed to be able to have this place to come and share these awesome towers or try to build this harmony. So we're going to go through now. He's got some faith videos. He's got a terrace in here. He's got all kinds of different videos. There's Mr. Furtig right there. He's got videos of all kinds of different people speaking on faith. We're not going to go through each one of them today. Maybe that might be another video. So for today, we're just going to go back let's go back to the club room, and then I'm going to take you guys outside and I'll let you guys look at what the tower looks like on the outside. And whoops, sometimes I get a little crazy there and get stuck under the stairs. All right, so we're going to go back into the tower. And then after we go out the tower, we're going to go outside and we're going to kind of walk around. I'll let you see what the tower on the outside looks like. Then we'll wrap it up. All right. I am so excited to share each one of these towers with you guys. Hey, if you guys have any questions or you want to see something in those towers that you might think would be really cool to put in there, let me know. Put it in the comments. See how we can go through this together, this amazing journey. So I appreciate you guys watching this video today, and look forward to the next one. The next one, I don't want to give you guys any little details, but the next video is going to be a really special video for me personally. So I hope you can check it out. So this is Mr. Harmony checking out for the Towers of Harmony, and we just went through the faith building. And that is the faith building right here. If you want to buy a apartment in the faith building, as you can see, I have some for sale. Come on in. All right. Thanks a lot. God bless. You guys have a great day.